I have an endless supply of basil for my cooking. I purchased one basil plant and turned it into multiple plants. Let me show you how I do this. First thing I did is I let my basil develop 4 strong leaf sets. At the very bottom is 1, 2, 3, and then this right here was the 4th, but I could cut the 4th leaf set, so now it only has 3. By cutting that single one, it started to bush out at every node from the bottom to the top, and now it's a much bushier basil plant. But that's not all I did. I did more. I have 1, 2, 3. This one's hiding inside my garden. And 4. This one's hiding underneath my tomato plant, which has just clobbered it. But it's still doing well, and it's tucked down in the shade. Let me show you more of what I've done. When basil is getting close to bolting or flowering, I cut it and I put it in water. Let me show you why. Because after a little bit of time, it will root. And here I have a 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th plant. In addition to cutting it, this is what I cook with first. Most of the time in my cooking, all I do is cut the leaf in half and then cut it off the plant, and that's what I use. Don't mince it up really tiny. Keep your basil leaves sizable when you cook with them. You'll get better flavor.